If you could see my whole body, I'd be doing the moonwalk right now to generate energy on my hypothetically wooden floor, which is actually tile because we're not in Madison and don't have a prototype. But that wasn't funny because I can't tell jokes. Hi, I'm Krista-Lee Malone, and this is the Technophiles Newscast. Today I'm here to talk about invention coming out of my own home state of Wisconsin. It is a floor that will create energy as you walk on it. A group of researchers led by Xudong Wang, an associate professor at the University of Wisconsin-Madison's College of Engineering, have come up with a type of flooring that would actually generate energy just from people walking on it. Professor Wang runs the Nanoscience and Nanotechnologies Research Group that is affiliated with the Materials Sciences and Engineering Department. But it gets even better. See, in addition to generating clean energy, this floor is a double boon for environmental friendliness because it's also made with a common waste material, wood pulp. All right, so of course, regular wood pulp's not going to conduct electricity. So this wood pulp is being chemically treated, and that's how this is working. I really wish I could explain to you about all the chemistry and all that fun stuff, but it turns out those details are not being released yet because the patent is still under review. But what I can do is give you a basic outline of how it's going to work, minus all of the fun chemistry details. So the concept behind this flooring is triboelectricity, which is basically the energy that is generated through friction or through vibration. By chemically treating the wood pulp, they create both positively and negatively charged materials within the flooring. Because of these two opposite charges, when the flooring is disturbed, they interact with each other. And by disturbed, I just mean they walk on the floor, because walking on a floor is disturbing, because walking on your floor is disturbing to your floor. That was the joke. It's not very good. Not a comedian. Now, all of this walking on the floor and interactions between the materials causes electrons to be released. These are then captured and stored for later use. This is not unlike, for example, static electricity. Now, if you want to access this energy, it's actually really simple. See, there's a capacitor that is connected to the floor, and all you have to do is plug something into it. Now, of course, the question in everybody's mind is, how many things can I plug into this? How much energy is produced? And the answer is, we need to scale up the testing to figure that out for sure, but based on extrapolating from the small prototype, we are thinking about, and by we, I really mean Professor Wang because I'm not involved, about 2 joules per second. The other question is, how does this fit in with other clean energies? Well, the 2 big ones in the United States right now are probably solar and wind. The benefit here is you don't need a sunny sky and you don't need a windy day. The other nice thing over solar is that this is a lot cheaper, and in part that's because it's made out of waste material. This stuff you would have been throwing away anyways. I'm not sure about the chemicals because, like I said before, because of the whole patent thing, that information is not being released. However, that is something that would have to be looked at. How sustainable are these chemicals? How readily available are they? We're not sure, but I'm assuming we will find that out once the patent has been reviewed and released. So if these chemicals are readily available, this could be used in large-scale places like stadiums, office buildings, schools, who knows. Fortunately for Professor Wang, he's at UW-Madison, which has got, I don't know, maybe 40,000 students. So the next project is they're actually going to do a large-scale sample on campus where you have thousands of students walking around every day. Once that's done, we'll probably have a better idea of how much energy is generated and hopefully a lot more information about how readily this could be put into other public spaces. So in the near future, if you're going to be around Madison, I suggest going and checking this out. See if you can't walk across this new floor and help build up some energy. If you do, let me know. If you don't live nearby, go into the comments below and let me know. Would you put this in your house? Or where else might this be a really good place? Where is there high traffic that we generate a lot of energy just walking around? I'm thinking a track, actually. We should make wooden tracks so then all the people running. Okay, I digress. Thanks for watching. My name is Krista-Lee. You can find me at Twitter @GamerAnthro, and you can find this show along with our podcast, the Technophiles Podcast, over at www.technophilespodcast.com. You can also find us on iTunes, Stitcher, YouTube. Did I say YouTube already? I don't know.